My tip for today is how to clean my wool pressing mat without actually washing it. There are occasions when you will need to wash your wool pressing mat. You can wash that in a bathtub, put a little bit of soap on it. From what I understand, I've not done it. I will try and do it in the future, but I understand it washes up nicely. Some people love the wool pressing mats. The advantage to a wool pressing mat is that it's almost as if you are pressing on both sides of your block. When you put the block down on the mat and then your iron, the heat actually goes down into the wool and back up into your block. So you have a double pressing action going on there, which makes for a flatter block. But all these little threads tend to come off of your mat. You can use a lint roller and run it on here, but again, lint rollers, that paper fills up really fast and you end up tearing off paper after paper after paper, and a lot of times you still don't pick up all of the pieces that are left on there. I came across this tool and it's called the Wool Mat Cleaning Tool by the Gypsy Quilter. I was really intrigued by it because I wondered if it would work just to get off those stubborn threads that don't want to come up even after I've used the lint roller or just tried to pick them off. I opened it up and it actually has, it's kind of a bristly feel. It looks like a cheese cutter, but it has a bristly feel to the roller. And what you do is you just go along, look at that, and it just picks up all of those threads, and isn't that neat? It just takes everything off of there. And then you just throw that away. Now you don't want to press too hard because it does pull up the wool a little bit. You can see you've got some of the wool coming up, but not much. And look at that, how nice and neat it makes my wool pressing mat. Now you're not supposed to use a pressing solution, spray a pressing solution directly onto the wool mat. I didn't know that. I did that. So I have one mat that's all I use it for, is because it does get stiff and it does get a lot of pressing solution on there. That mat will have to be washed. But this one I don't, and it doesn't need to be washed. It just needs those threads off of there on occasion. So I used it, then I cleaned it off, and look at it, it looks absolutely beautiful. I think it works really well. So the Wool Mat Cleaning Tool by the Gypsy Quilter, I give this a thumbs up. I think it is a great tool. I think it's really worth it. Things like this, keeping my mat clean and keeping everything in order, really does make me joyful. I love having a neat workspace, always trying to be joyful, but I will always be merry.